My name is Mickayla Fatovic, and I am the broker-owner of Elite Class Property Management and Real Estate Company. We are an investment-focused real estate brokerage. We offer real estate services like helping you purchase a property that you're going to put a long-term tenant in, if you're going to do Airbnb with. We also help investors with 1031 exchanges, as well as project management if you're doing flips. We are a personable company. We love our family. We love to be with friends. I want my customers, my clients, my friends to be having fun and being able to feel free while investing. You're not just going to be working with a corporation. You're working with me, you're working with my team, you're working with my family, you're working with all of the investors that are behind me and connected to us. If you go onto the market right now and you look at homes for sale, you're gonna see a lot of them have like the same exact design, the same exact concept, colors, everything. But when you mix personality into that, you are able to create something different that people love. And we've learned that that is more successful than just copying what other people are doing. And that's kind of what we're trying to do, is create this path for our clients and our customers to lead the way.